in this video I'm going to show you how to do a one-shot Speedo Sound Sonic combo. And yeah, this was attacked by this guy, one of my friends. Okay. Oh, and also I found this one. It's really cute. I recommend it. It's really cute. Yeah, see? But I have two of them. A hat one and the same one as hers. But we are not gonna do the one-shot combo in 3, 2, 1. Oh wait. Oh, okay, I'm sorry guys. I am so dumb. I am so dumb. I literally had infinity on. I'm so dumb. Okay. Let's do it again. The Speedo Sound Sonic one-shot combo. I hope you enjoyed and leave a like and leave a subscribe button if you want more the strongest DSB videos. And please like and subscribe and bye.